Hi everyone, quick update to my Land Rover Defender video. I'm currently in Great Britain. I did a short trip to Scotland, hiked the Ben Nevis. It's like the highest peak in Great Britain. It was actually really cool, can recommend that. And now I'm back at FLATDOG UK HQ, which is the partner I've talked about in my other video. I've been working with Ben, he's actually here.
Hello.
It's the son's owner.
The owner's son.
Son, sorry. And we've been working together for like 4 or 5 years now.
Yeah, too long. Yeah, definitely too long. But yeah, about 4 or 5 years. Yeah.
And well, this year was pretty much a small upgrade on the rear. So tell us about what we did.
Yeah. So basically, well, it doesn't look like it now. Some new tyres, the BF KM3s.
KM3s.
Something a little bit chunkier for your Iceland trip.
Exactly.
Coming up, we've got some helper springs now gone in the back there. A little bit more heavy duty. A little bit of weight on the car, so that's just to help the roll there.
And felt actually we did the work before Scotland, and I'm very impressed with the KM3, which is really not noisier than the all-terrain I actually had on. So
yeah, the old BFG all-terrain, yeah.
Very good tire so far. We'll see how it is off-roading.
Yeah, definitely. What else have you had done?
Not too much to say.
Some new window blocks.
Window blocks, because mine were rusty. Typical Land Rover issue. Went for the optimal.
Yeah, nice straightforward. Billet aluminium swap.
Yeah, pretty good.
Little bit of maintenance.
Yeah, some cleaning.
Looks like it.
Doesn't look now, but yeah, had a small polish as well. And yeah, well, basically coming to see you, Ben. Always nice. Cool. And the plan is actually to show you around the HQ as I'm here, so you actually know why I like this company so much. It's a family-owned business. They do a lot of manufacturing in-house. Well, Ben will be able to say more about that.
Let's have a look. Come on.
Actually have a nice Disco 3 kitted out. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I see you have a Christmas decoration already, huh?
Yeah, that time of the year, unfortunately.
Already.
Yeah, a few offers to go on there, so yeah, they'll be coming soon.
So you guys do special offers sometimes?
Yeah, we tend to. I think Black Friday's coming up.
Okay.
So we'll have an offer on for that. That will probably start early, as is the way. Christmas, joyfully, December the 1st.
Okay.
So look out for those offers. Other than that, you know, we have offers throughout the year, shows, a couple of Facebook specials as well, now and again. Cool.
So that's your showroom?
Yeah, so we've had this now for a few years. Stock keeps changing out. We get new brands in all the time. Have new clothing lines. We manufacture a lot of new parts now with the new manufacturing facilities that have gone in. So things like our roof racks, which are quite popular now in the UK and around the world, and I know you've tested yours out thoroughly.
Yeah.
Seems to be holding up, so that's a win. Bumpers. We do a range of bumpers now. LEDs, DRLs, with fogs, without fogs, winch bumpers, standard bumpers.
Well, basically the important thing to know is if you can't find it online on the website, you just basically ring them or email them, and if they don't reply, just give them a call.
Yeah, call, Facebook, Instagram, email, loads of ways.
Because usually they're always able to help, even though sometimes you can't find it on the website now.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, we do a lot of product sourcing for people as well. Well, like yourself.
Yeah, totally.
You know, and
special requested.
Yeah, exactly. A little bit more of a look around.
Yeah, sure. What is your main products you're doing? What would you say, like the 3 top main products you're doing?
Roof racks, definitely number 1.
And these are made in-house in here?
Yeah, so if a customer walks in, you know, we design, manufacture and fit as well.
And the aluminium is from Great Britain as well, no?
Yeah,
not far from here.
Local aluminium extruder. All our own extrusions, manufactured in-house, as you'll probably see a little bit later on.
Yeah, we'll show them that.
Super cool welder. He knows a thing or two. So yeah, roof racks. We do a whole range of accessories for the interior now. Cargo cages, so we do pre-2007, post-2007 Defender with the top shelves. Not got one on display, but that'll be there soon.
Cool.
They're for all vehicles. We're expanding now into other 4x4s as well, which is
doing like Ford Ranger and starting
Ford Rangers,
Toyotas. And
Toyotas, yeah, you name it. We're getting there. It's an evolving market now.
Okay.
And
so you have the jerry can holder up there.
Yeah, we do all our accessories, and yeah, another popular line, the Wolf boxes. Wolf
boxes, usually from Front Runner otherwise, and you guys have, I think you're the only company having the same boxes basically.
I don't know what else really is.
I've never seen different ones.
Yeah, we get quite a lot in containers at a time.
Also made in South Africa, you said?
South Africa, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And then you have the bumpers, you said?
Yeah, the bumpers again, they're made in house.
Made in house. Pretty heavy duty. Different ones. You have dual fog lights. You have normal daytime running lights.
Yep.
You have daytime running lights with winch. You have just winch without. So you basically have everything you basically want to have. You can just do it.
We also do the Spectre bumper as well.
The one from James Bond.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. If like a nice rugged looking Defender, it's quite nice.
And then you have like your own clothes, which we are both wearing actually.
Yeah.
Pretty cool hoodies. I love the hoodie, just to work on the car, to be honest, because it's really warm.
Yeah.
Cool
nice and soft as well. Less scratches on your car. But yeah, we do hoodies. We do our jackets, our hats, lots of little stuff. New lines, FLATDOG signature t-shirts. More coming out soon. More warm weather clothing. So.
Cool.
Keep an eye out for that, yeah.
And then you're ARB stockist and Warren stockist as well, huh?
ARB, Warren, yeah. We do those brands, obviously. Super popular in Australia and America. Getting there over here now.
Talk a little bit about your rooftop tents. Which brands are you supplying?
Okay, so coming now, basically into the market, we'll have the Wild Pack roof tents. Okay. So made by the former, basically owner of Halliman.
It's basically the same company that stopped.
Yeah, they had a few issues with a takeover that happened in South Africa. So moving on and forward, it's the same guys that do it, the same quality of materials.
The same
manufacturing
process.
Yeah, same manufacturing process. A little bit more input for the UK climate, which is quite nice. Halliman was always the one of the brands on the market, as you know.
That's why actually I swapped from ARB to Holy Moon, because the fabric is a lot better.
So yeah, that's coming soon. We'll have a bit more information leading up to January on that one.
Okay,
come
cool.
out. So yeah, that's quite cool. Obviously, works with the roof racks. We do all different camping gear and things like that. We still have stock of some of the Halliman stuff for those that maybe are a little bit nervous.
Yeah, totally.
It happens, unfortunately.
Well, it doesn't matter. They're probably going to fit the other one as well.
Yeah,
it's just a cover or anything. Then you do some cooking, accessories.
Do the Kadak range, which I think is also South African actually.
Okay. Cool. And then you have something new, I think. It's like 1 year old now in your product setup. It's the Goal Zero one.
The Goal Zero, yeah. So basically, the ethos is going green, renewable energies. So you know, like you can see there.
Power banks,
solar panels, power banks, you know, rechargeable things, using solar, speakers.
Okay.
Great for overlanding. I think you use a few bits yourself, maybe.
Yeah, true.
So, you know, pretty cool stuff all around, really.
Okay. And then you have your own, like, LED range now.
Oh, yes, we do. So we use them on the majority of our vehicles. I know you've probably got as many as anybody on your vehicle, which I'm sure all the guys.
So you have the whip packs, you have.
Yeah, we do the wide pack, the sets, the set of 8, the NAS. little bit low on stock at the minute actually, which is a bit scary.
And then you have the headlights.
Yeah, we do a couple of different types of the headlights, indicator, standard,
okay,
halos, and the Predator light bars as well.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, camping gear as well. Cool. Shall we have a look into your manufacturing facility?
Oh yeah, we'll go through.
Okay, cool.
Little waiting room for those that have the bits fitted.
So you can just wait here if you...
Yeah, but it's chill out, you know, people drive in, drive out.
Okay.
A different vehicle, so...
Because you do a lot of fitting in-house for free for some products like Mantec
we
or...
certainly do. Our roof rack range.
As well?
Yeah, we have stock all the time because we manufacture in-house. That's nice and easy to do. Yeah, a lot of accessories we fit for free, which is great while you wait, so yeah, give us a shout if you need anything. So yeah, manufacturing facilities. Mainly spec'd up for the roof rack side of things.
Yeah, so you have basically these plates, or how you call them.
Yeah, we've
making
got
sure so
our
it's
roof
all
rack to keep everything square in line, make sure everyone's the same. British manufacturing at its best, really. Little sneak peek of a product that's on its way. So yeah, a little bit cheeky that one. Just a rear door guard. A few modifications probably to do, but
so that's basically going to be the door behind the rear door. So you open the door, yes, and then you still have
that. Great for those that go shooting, hunting dogs, things like that. So you can open the rear door, you can still interact with your dog. They, they can have some air into the truck and not have to worry of them getting out. So yeah, that's getting there, coming soon. A couple of the guys laugh and say, really, it's just to keep John in line.
So he's busy. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
I see you actually have some new bumpers that have been not powder coated yet, but welded.
Yeah, exactly. Going through the works. A few more processes to go there, so they've got to be finished off, flattened.
Because your bumpers go to they don't go to powder coating first. They first go to another process.
Yeah, we have a lot of the mild steel stuff that we use, as you know, plus. So we have all that zinced, powder coated. There's a couple of processes there, really, just to keep the quality, keep the longevity of a product, which is cool.
Which is pretty bulletproof, yeah, if you zinc coat it first. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's also like pretty heavy duty. You can actually
5mm steel. Yeah. All our bumps are the same actually.
Pretty cool. And then you have all the range for the roof racks to make the holes and slots.
Exactly.
And exactly
that.
Okay, quite cool. And then you have a lot of parts in stock as well. No, you keep a lot of.
Keep all the stock.
It's a huge facility. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, we open up for our open weekends. We have an open weekend every year.
Okay. When is that, or?
Cool. We haven't announced the dates for next year yet, but March, April time.
Okay, cool.
So if you're on your travels, pop in.
Cool, perfect. Tell me more about the car on top there.
The old Series 2A. Well, it's up there. It's not coming back down. So the forklift that was used to put that up is actually as wide as the showroom. And as you can see, there's no door that's as wide as the showroom. So
oh shit.
That'll be there as long as I am, I think. So.
Okay, at least it's not rusting more.
No, it's probably going up in value. So yeah, it's nice and cool. You know, the kids love it. One day we'll restore it, I'm sure.
Cool. And then you keep also like for the people that want to have more the luxurious Defenders, you keep KBX. No, you keep Momo steering wheels.
Yeah,
you
we've got all interior accessories,
upgrades, and
some nice things to keep every Defender unique.
Premium leather also for the dash.
Interior parts, cleaning items to keep your things in tip-top shape.
That's actually a new brand you have, no? That's less than a year, no?
Yeah, new cleaning products. We keep trying to add.
Actually, tried that one. Pretty cool. You have different processes. First taking the dirt off, and then smoothing it down and almost like polishing it at the end.
Hey, you've been thinking about unloading as well.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
That's just cool.
So a lot of products here. Cool. Well, that's about it. You guys have a ramp to do the work, and yeah.
Yeah, we've got the garage as well. I know you've had a good look around.
Perfect. Well, I guess that's enough input for you guys. Just thought it would be cool so you actually see why I'm working with them. It's like I said, it's a family-owned business. He's the son. His dad is basically the owner. His mom is working as well in the office.
Very family orientated. Yeah.
Your brothers are actually in the manufacturing business, and well, there's Adam as well, which is not from the family, but otherwise.
Yeah, very close friend. Yeah,
close
very,
friend.
Very family orientated. So
cool guys to visit, basically. Yeah, and
cool.
Yeah, thanks for the support. Man.
No worries, mate. Anytime.
Cheers.
Anytime.